Hello everyone, comb the sides of your hair and tie in the middle of the rubber band and have another strip of hair from the left side and drop it into the right and the right section braid it in a thicker manner and fold it to half and move it to the left and have it secure on the top. Have a few strands of hair from the left side and split them into 3 parts and have it braided with few strands of hair from the front going in between the braids gap into the section of the hair at the back. Combine the sides with the rubber band and drop it inside for a twisted band. Have a few strands of hair from the left side and split them into 2 parts and have it braided from the bottom section so that the braid will go in a descending manner. Then after that, secure the end with the rubber band and roll the braid and make it coil in the clockwise direction. Make a ponytail and split them into 2 parts and have the top part into a braid and have the bottom part leaving as such and have rubber bands attached to each section and drop in your favorite hairpin on each rubber band. Grab a few strands of hair from the left side and have it split them into 3 parts and have it braided in a thinner manner, then secure the end with the rubber band. Do the same braiding on the right side and with the section of the hair at the back, tie the sides with the rubber band, drop it inside for a twisted band and have the braids combined together with a common rubber band. Make a ponytail on the top section of the hair and have a strip of hair from the left side right below the first one and drop it into the loop on the top section on the right from the left and right at the bottom of the strands, then have it tied in the middle in an alternative manner and secure it lovely hairpin. Make a ponytail on the top section of the hair and create a gap using your finger and drop the tail into it and have it tied in the middle and drop it inside for a twisted band. Do it one more time and have your beautiful hairpin attached. Make a ponytail and pinch out the hair on the top section a little bit and split the tail into 2 and have it go across each other by having a thick braid and make it roll in a clockwise manner and secure a tip underneath the bun. Comb a strip of hair from the left side and split them into 3 parts and have it braided. Do the same braiding on the right side and have another braid to the left, right near the first one and do the same vice versa on the other side. Grab the top section of the hair and split them into 3 parts and have it braided and secure the end with the rubber band and tie it over the braid and twist it forming a loop and drop the braid into the loop. Make a ponytail on the left section of the hair and create a gap by using your finger and drop the tail into it. Do the same ponytail on the right side, do the same braiding on the right and combine them both with the rubber band and secure it to the top temporarily. Then grab the sides of your hair, tie in the middle of the rubber band with lovely hairpin collection. Grab the side section of the hair and have a rubber band attach the middle part and create a gap by using your finger and drop the tail into it. Do the same on the right side and split the tail into 3 parts and have it braided in a thicker manner and make the braid swirl in a clockwise direction, then have lovely hairpin collection onto it. Thank you everyone.